just come to tell me that this season you fell in start your 2023 with crying, regretting of what you've done. Don't say nobody told you. Stay tuned here and listen and get all I have for you.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Hi guys, you're welcome here. This is me, Elisa, and thank you for stopping by. And please stay tuned because I'm here for you. Okay, today I'm talking about some of the important things you need to put in place because of season. Okay, are you a guy? You are here? Please call on that your lovely friend. Call your sister because this information is for our young ladies. Are you a young lady? Please stay back. Do you have a friend that needs to hear this? Please call her because I have important things for you against tax season. I want to talk about some certain things that happen with our social media. What am I talking about? I want to talk about those people that you see in your inbox. Yes. Hold on. Do you know that guy that always chats you in your inbox? He's not in Nigeria. No. He's abroad. Yes. Abroad, I mean outside Africa. Yes. He chats you once in a while via your social media, Facebook in particular. Facebook, yes. Maybe he has started chatting you bumper to bumper because the season is close by. Listen, let me tell you, don't fall a victim, okay? He knows the reason why he started chatting you frequently this season. Now I'm coming to break it into two. Yes, you understand what I'm saying? Yes, I know. Listen, there is this guys that is always good. They don't identify with you publicly. Nah, they don't. What they do is this. Even if you post that your beautiful pictures on your Facebook feed, they don't care to say anything. They will come to inbox, hey babe, you look good. Oh, thank you. These are the group of guys I want to talk about now. Listen, among those people that chat you up via your inbox, alright guys, I mean, there are two categories of them. This one has graduated from chatting you via your Facebook inbox, going straight to giving you his WhatsApp. And for your mind, you're like, I'm in love. Girl, don't be deceived. And there is this one that stick to Facebook. He always chat you once in a while, call you once in a while. Whenever you call as a girl, he doesn't pick, he doesn't reply your messages. Why? You ask him, you might send him a message now. It takes him long for him to reply you. Why? Guy, I sent this message. Why? Girl, I'm so busy. It's work. You don't understand how it works here. This is his response. I know you understand what I mean. Girl. But this time, Christmas is around the corner and he's chatting you every time, here and now, bumper to bumper. Don't be deceived, girl. All you have to ask him, guy, you chat me frequently these days. Why? He said, what can we do? What we sacrifice for love? There is no love there. Don't be deceived. Okay, listen, let me tell you, he's chatting you because Christmas is coming. He's gonna come back. Now, you know, I talk about two categories of guys that always inbox. There is this secretive kind of guy, and this like Biocomi Live, the free guy. The free guy is this one that has graduated from Facebook to his WhatsApp. He has given you his WhatsApp. Good. And for your mind, we're like, abroad guy, even the other girl got married in the Facebook streets. It's not like that. Yes, there are a lot of people that got their spouse, their lifetime from Facebook streets to lifetime partner. Good, but girl, it's not meant for all. So that's why you should be wise and use your head. The reason for calling you is because he's coming back home. This one that has graduated from this to WhatsApp, they are this kind that will call you, girl, I'm coming back on 3rd of Christmas. I'm coming back on the 19th of Christmas. Would you mind receiving me in the airport? Oh, more for your mind, girl. You will be like, hey, I have seen husband. Oh, Jehovah, that prophecy is coming to an end this year. Is a lie. Nothing of such. Listen, let me tell you. Do you know why he decided to call you to come meet him? Because he needs someone to spend indoors with there in Lagos State to cool off the stress of abroad. A lot of stress is here. To cool off that stress before going to East. That is the truth. Listen, let me tell you. Do you know the other guy that stick on Facebook community, Facebook inbox? What you do is this. Hello, babe. Guess what? Oh, guys, you know I'm not good at guessing gays. I don't know. Just tell me. I'm in Nigeria. Oh, you're in Nigeria? Would you like to see me? Why not? We will. Girl, Kati from East all the way from Lagos. You will not even book your flight. You wouldn't mind entering night boroughs to Lagos. Girl, don't do that. That's not a good plan for you. He didn't mean any good. Yes, he didn't mean any good. They just want somebody to cool off the stress. After cooling off, go. She can't even know when they travel back. The other guy will tell you, oh girl, sorry, I had an emergency, I need to leave. The other guy would just, by the time you know it, you go back to the Facebook, all you see is Facebook user. He has blocked you. And when he blocked you, he changed his name. When he changed his name, girl, even if you use his name to search me, you will not get him because he has changed his name. He changed his profile picture. Your own is, he has registered you in the list of Nigerian girls that he used to ease off European, American, Australian, wherever abroad stress. So why I'm bringing this to you guys, you don't need to be stressed, okay? This lady, why now? Why are you the spoil market? Don't worry, some of them will not even listen to me, so you have nothing to lose, okay? What am I saying, guys? I'm saying this, my lovely lady, so that you will not fall a victim. How many people will still fall a victim after listening to this? It happens. You are not the only one, and I think there is every reason for you to listen. Whenever they call you to come, okay, guy, are you coming to this? Can we meet in the East? Me, I can't come to Lagos now. Listen, let me tell you, even if after everything they still keep you in touch, maybe he really like you. Maybe you are what I ordered versus what I got, like they are the same. If you happen to be what I ordered versus what I received, that is why you see Facebook user, oh girl, I got an emergency, I need to leave. Okay, so guys, that is why I'm here today to let you know that those ones chatting you all this while, he chats you once in a while, now he has started chatting you bumper to bumper. You need to be very, very, very careful about those people. You need to be very, very, very careful. All you have to ask him when he tells you that, oh God, what we do for love, we need to create a chance to whom we love. Ask him, did you change your job? Because that same job I know that you are doing is what you are still doing up to now. So why this sudden change in calling? Why is he decided to call you like that? I know he must have started. If he has not started, he will start soon. So don't fall a victim. Elisan is here to tell you, don't fall a victim, okay? Thank you so much for listening. And before I conclude, I want to tell you this. If you have an elder brother, if you have someone, if you are a girl, a young lady, you have an elder brother, anything you have to do with a guy, please just discuss with your brother, because men knows the game they play, okay, so that he will guide you directly. And again, if you have an elderly brother and you are a girl, men don't have to play you, especially this season, okay? So that is it. Before I conclude again, do you like this hair? This hair is from Whitey Hair Factory, direct from the factory. Imagine you getting this hair at a very cheap rate. And this hair is going for a giveaway for 5 Elisan followers. If you are in our community, this hair would be for you 5 people. Like, who do you think about that? So join the community today and be part of us. What do we have to say? We're here for you, so don't fall a victim for anybody this season. So you will not start up 2023 crying, regretting, shouting, all men are the same. All men are not the same.